Well, Kevin, I just left your house and I'm down here on Lake Rosinger Road. Thought I'd try to find the back road to get home that we were talking about, but it's not going to work. There seems to be a little bit of a problem right over the power lines. So I'm going to get out of here before these power lines come down. Alrighty. Throw that back in the trunk and... Oh, yep, that's... I didn't see it come down, but pull over, set the four ways, do a quick video, and then short clip. Talk to you all later. Bye-bye. Alrighty, look for the wiggling trees. It's windy out here, people. Hold my camera shifting one-handed. Leaving brother's place, thought I'd try to take a little different road home that I've never taken before. We were talking about, yeah, the road was blocked by a big old tree. So, big windstorm blowing in. I'll even put that up with this video. Turbo spooled up, climbed the hill. You can see the clouds moving up there too. They're whipping past pretty good. We're gonna go swing by the gas station, gas this thing up so it's all ready to go. Not that I have to, I got a quarter tank left, but yeah, it's a little nasty out there right now. Oh, there goes the camera. Jeez, man, just hang tight, why don't you? I didn't bring many mounts or anything, so you can see those trees up there on the right just dancing in the wind. It's supposed to be a rough one this afternoon, up to 65-mile-an-hour gusts. We were out at the brother's place. He saw a branch come down off of one of his maples over actually the maple next to the one he just had cut down. It wasn't a huge branch, but he watched it come tumbling. I heard it, I didn't see it. Lots of twigs down right now. Definitely not a good time to be out cruising around. So, as I say, we'll go gas this thing up and then go camp out for the evening. Hopefully we don't lose power. Look, a white Chevy Cruze. It's a non-RS though. They live with themselves without their rally sport. So the computer's out getting fixed right now, so I don't know when I'll upload these. I may try to dig that other machine out that I don't really like that I bought. Play around with it a little bit. Just keep sliding around. Run down here to the whatever gas station it is I use. Winty. Yep, good day. Got another Oldsmobile with a fairly decent body. I would say on a scale of 8 to 10, it's probably a 7. It's a little bit of dent damage. Slide right off. Stay there. Couple of spots of rust, but way better than what I got now. Essentially, the one I got now, the one that you've all known and come to love in my garage, is basically going to be a parts car. And I want to try to sell the Hulk. I don't want to scrap it, because to me it is salvageable, but it's way beyond what I'm capable of doing. I was toying with the idea of keeping it, just building it with parts. You know, I got that 350 sitting in the garage, although it's not a high horsepower. I got that turbo 350 trans sitting there, get that redone, and then just, you know, grab probably some better sheet metal for the new car and use the ones I got, the front fenders on the current one, and just slam it together. But don't need to. don't need two. Alrighty. What's our fuel prices? $2.09. That's not too bad. I guess it is. What was it up in Lake Stevens there, Kevin? Not this? A little bit less, a little bit more? Mr. Neon pulling out. Start with his taillights on. Or she. Alrighty. See how much this is going to hurt. Alrighty. 26 bucks, 10.5 gallons, premium. $2.49 a gallon. Aid car went cruising on by with his lights on, heading down kind of towards my neighborhood. Get around back to the house. We're just going to camp out for the evening. Like I say, hopefully we don't lose power. So I think the rain is pretty much done. It's just a windstorm blowing through now. Rains will probably come back tonight or tomorrow. This storm is supposed to last until 11 or 12 tonight. Is when the advisory is going to be over. I will go home and start pictures of that new 70 Cutlass I got. Build with the parts from the old 70 Cutlass. Got a picture of the VIN tag, the build tag, so I can sit there and decode that a little bit. It's a May of 70 car, whereas the old one is December of 69. Green on green, no vinyl top. Kind of that lime green paint with, I don't know, a medium green interior. Got no interior bits for it. A couple of side panels and whatnot. We'll see what all is usable out of it. Later on this week, this weekend sometime, we'll see. Sneak back out there and go through it, clean out some of the garbage, grab a trash bag or something. Some of the parts that I want to keep, we'll pull them out, bring them back here to the house and throw them up on the shelf. Those badges that I showed you, I'm not going to reuse those. I'll probably just get new ones, nice clean ones. Yeah, I'm not going to go outside and work on the truck in this weather. Could, but it's just not nice. Hopefully next weekend, it sounds like we might have a decent day. Get out and get that fuel tank situation resolved. The neighborhood hasn't fallen apart yet, so I guess we're good for the night. And the house is still standing, and the trucks are still there. My little front door table's flipped around again because it likes to blow around in the wind. That's how I ended up with it. First big nasty windstorm we had, it blew down the road. I left it down here on the corner, but nobody picked it up, so after about a week I claimed it. So alrighty, we're gonna end this part of the video. Y'all be good. We'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully the computer will be back Monday or Tuesday and I can start uploading some of this stuff. I may try playing with the other computer, see if I can get some stuff going. Get y'all caught up on the YouTubes. So, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.